and cicada that heard some rumblings about the dunes the company were true. The cicadas gathered at the town hall to see if these disturbing rumors are true. They hear you are reading them and they can't believe it's true. They hear you are reading them and they don't know what to do. A volunteer party is formed with Jasper, Roscoe, Cliff, and a brave few. Jasper brought his new country friends, and Roscoe said even though Big Weedy made him famous and short on time, he would lend a helping hand, and Cliff knows the mountains like the back of wings. They climbed over Mount Guatemala and traversed the whole backyard. There were perils around every corner and the weather was a fickle beast. But finally they arrived, barely unscathed, when our heroes dated to sneak a peek. Their bulging hand. There is front of them a human with all of their friends were being mixed like ground meat. It's true, they're eating us. What are we to do? Don't they have enough to cram in their face? They just ate my brother too. The cicadas quickly traversed the trail they had blazed back home. They filled in their foes, cicadas, and quickly decided